Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can reset the Comet AI web browser to its factory or default settings. For instance, if you have run into performance issues, bugs or problems and now would like to fix these by resetting the entire browser to its factory settings, so to the moment where you downloaded and installed it without customizing or changing anything. So this is how you can do it. Launch the Comet AI web browser, for example, on your desktop computer or laptop. And what you want to do next, guys, is locate this button in the top right corner between the search assistant and your profile. Click into it and select settings from this menu here. And inside these settings, guys, what you want to do is navigate to reset settings at the bottom of that list here to the left. And after that, guys, you will see that option to the right. And if it's familiar to you guys, it's understandable because Google Chrome and many other web browsers are using the same interface, as you can see. So it looks pretty much the same way as on Google Chrome, and it also works the same way as on Google Chrome. For example, if you click into Restore Settings, the browser, the Comet AI web browser, will ask you for permission, and it will also display this information here, guys, telling you that if you reset your settings, this action here will cause the following. It will reset all settings as well as shortcuts, disable all installed extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. But as I said just a moment ago, guys, like Google Chrome, it won't affect your bookmarks, your browsing history and saved passwords. So if you really want to do this, simply confirm by clicking into reset settings or cancel, and that's basically it. After that, Comet AI will restart with its factory settings. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.